Hi there! In this video I want to show you how to customize notifications and quick settings on your iPad mini 6. Let's get started. For this we just need to open settings and here we need to find the notifications tab. After this we can choose type of notifications, so the style, how it will look on your lock screen and on your homepage. So we have three options: count, stack and list. I prefer this stack one, so it takes minimum space on the screen, so I will leave this option. And now we can select schedule summary. We can turn it on or turn it off, and we can select to show previews or never show previews. Also, we can enable screen sharing, and here we can choose from which applications we want to receive notifications and which type of the notifications. When you're done with this notification step, we can just scroll and go in the control center. So here we can add some options to the included controls, or we can just remove some of the options. For example, I don't want to see notes in my included controls, so I'm just gonna tap here and then tap the button remove, and now it's gone. Now we can replace it with something else just from this more controls tab. For example, I want to add voice memos. I'm gonna tap on the plus and now it is added to the included controls. If you would like to reorder it, you can easily do it by dragging these arrows up or down like this. And here is how it will look. If you want to put low power mode on the first place, just use these lines and drag it onto the first place like that. And to check your control center, you just need to swipe down from the very top, and here is your control center. If you want to use voice memos, for example, simply tap on this icon and this application will be opened immediately. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.